This video explains the College Catalog Search assignment. The objective of this assignment is to introduce you to the academic catalog, which within it you'll find descriptions and graduation requirements for more than 100 degree and certificate programs and descriptions of every course offered at Cincinnati State. The academic catalog also lists information about student services, student rights and responsibilities, and other information to help you succeed at Cincinnati State. A very important document. So once you read through the college catalog, you'll open the college catalog quiz. Here is the access to the online college catalog. It's already broken down into index form for you. And then you'll start the quiz. So, I'm sorry, not the quiz, the assignment. So you'll be looking at the college catalog while you're answering these questions here. So here you'll answer the questions, and you will not be able to answer the questions unless you go to the catalog, and so it's a back and forth between what is the question, where do I find this in the catalog? So it's sort of a comprehensive search. All right, so you're not only going to answer questions about the catalog, but you'll also end this assignment by learning how to calculate grade point averages, which is a very important skill to have as a college student so that you always know where you stand and can keep in good academic standing. So once you answer all of these questions, you will hit Save and Submit, and that is the College Catalog Search assignment.